Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. And if you want oldie but goodie, thank you for coming back. So in today's video, as you've already seen from the title, we're unboxing skincare products sent to me, gifted to moi, by Dr. Dennis Gross. So Dr. Dennis Gross is a renowned skincare brand. They are found in Sephora. Basically, they are, I would say, high-end, and they sent me skincare products. You guys, skincare products worth $3,000 US. Okay, like, oh my God, that is huge. I don't own skincare worth 3,000, but that was sent to me. So I am so grateful. Thank you so much, Dr. Dennis Gross. So before I go into how I got to have this, I'm gonna show you guys real quick what they sent me. I have one box of skincare, and that is not all, my friends. I have another box. So basically, they sent me two huge boxes of skincare products. Okay, and in a minute we're gonna go into what they sent me. But so how I came across, or how they sent me this, is that I entered a giveaway on Instagram, because sis, I be entering those giveaways. Okay, I am not shy when it comes to giveaways or even entering them, because especially when they have really expensive stuff, or like they're giving out a phone or something like that, I will enter. Okay, I will enter. And I was so lucky to win all of this. And this came in the mail. The first box came, and I was like, oh wow, they sent me all of this. And oh my God, a second box came a few days later, and I was like just over the moon, because it's fall right now. And when seasons change, basically your skin starts acting up. And I haven't really had like acne, but just textured skin. And I really, really needed to get some skincare products. And luckily for me, Dr. Dennis came through. All right, so we're going to go into, did I mention that all of this is worth $3,000? Like, wow, just wow, All right, so this is the first box. This is what comes in the first box. And the second one, it's a huge box. It also is full of skincare products. Can you see, you guys? Yeah, so okay, we're gonna start with this box. All right, so the first thing that I see here is the Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. I have heard so many good things about this. I'm so excited to try them. So it says you have normal or combination skin, uneven tone or texture, fine lines or enlarged pores, and you want flawless, perfectly balanced, smooth skin and immediate radiance. I want all of that. Like, give that to me, Dr. Dennis. That is about to be me, baby. I am so happy. So it's a two-step patented, how do you pronounce this? A two-step patent. Oh my God. It is a two-step patent, because I know the word patent, but I don't know patented pill, whatever. So it has 30 treatments, and they sent me 12 of this. So I have a year's supply of your daily pills. So I think you use one each day, and there's like two different ones. You have the exfoliate and smooth. Then the step 2, it says anti-aging neutralizer. So this you use daily. I'm so excited to try these products. You guys have no idea. Like, as I said, I have 12 of these boxes. So each month throughout the year, like 1 year supply. All right. And they also sent me their new line. Like, I think this is the newest product they have on the market. The new line, all retinol and, all of that fancy stuff. Yeah, so the first one is their Advanced Retinol Plus Ferulic. It says overnight texture renewal peel. Who doesn't love an overnight product? Oh my God. Just wake up in the morning looking all bright and new. Yeah, so I have this. Can't wait to try it. The next one is their Texture Renewal Serum. Oh my God, I love a good serum. I can't wait to show you guys the end product, like when I use this for a month. I'm definitely gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna take a before and after picture. This is what my skin looks like right now. I mean, I have a few things here and there. You can't really see because I have makeup on, that I'm sure when I take this off, I'm gonna take a picture. So when I do the 1 month update, we're gonna compare together. So yeah, the next product that is sent is the Triple Correction Eye Serum. Oh my god, just on the eye bags. You need this, girl. I can't wait to try it. And the next product is the Overnight Wrinkle Treatment. Overnight treatments, top 10. So yeah, this is what we have in the first box. I'm gonna drop that and pick up the second box where we have all this stuff. This is also a year's supply of the same product. So it's basically the same thing, but like in 12 boxes for, you know, the 12 months of the year. So they sent me the exfoliating body treatment. Also, this one is for the body. So the first box was for the face, just like face products. And this one, I think it's for my body. It says you have dry, rough skin, uneven tone, visible blemishes, ingrown hairs, or KP. What is KP? I have no idea. I have to look that up. And you want visible, firmer, glowing, polished skin. I want all of that. Give it to me. Okay, so this is 8 textured towels, 1 month supply, and I have 12. Like, your girl, after this, your girl is about to be glowing, like, you know. So thank you so much, Dr. Dennis, for sending me all of this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, come on, please subscribe, and see you in my next video.